Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you Android to Android data transfer. If you want to transfer your all data from Android to Android, so let's see how can you do this. First of all, you must have to look for an app in your phone. So just go for your apps and here just search for Easy Share. You just have to look for this app in your phone. Here's that, just open it, but if you don't have it, you can easily install it from Play Store. Just go for search and here you just have to search for easy share. Just search for this and from here you can easily install this app. After installation, just tap on open to open the app and here just select join easy share user experience improvement plan, then select agree from here. So it will open the app just like that. Here just select file transfer and then select send from here, then set some permission. Just tap on set and here tap on allow permission, just enable that. Now go back, then select send from here and then select another permission and here you just have to enable easy share, then go back, then select send and here just select got it. So allow all the permissions which this app needs, just like that. So after that you just have to get your second phone and here open the same app in the second phone, just like that. Just open easy share here. So in this phone just select file transfer and here you just have to select receive, then select set and here just allow your location, enable that. Now go back, select receive from here. So it will scan for nearby devices, but if you don't get the device here, you just have to open the first phone and here just tap on this icon. Here scan to connect, just tap on it and here you just have to scan this QR code by the scanning option. You can see here the device available, but I'm going to scan to connect. Just tap on it and then you just have to scan the QR code just like that, and after scanning you can see that these devices are being connected. You just have to wait for it and here the devices has been connected. Now you just have to select the files on this phone which you want to send to other phone. Here all of your apps and videos, images, music, which one you have, so you can easily select that to send. Just tap on select and here just select images if you want. So here's the apps, just select the app which you want to share and after selection just tap on send to send the files which you have selected. So it will send or transfer all the files which you want to transfer. So that's how you can easily transfer all data Android to Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.